Dear students, now we will discuss the accounting treatment at the time of issue of debentures. Basically, as I earlier shared with you, that the issue of debenture is similar like to the issue of shares. So you would not have much problem to understand this important lesson also. Debenture can be issued in two important ways, in two different methods. One, it is for cash and other is for other than cash consideration. We had also learned this in the previous lesson. Now, as collateral security, they can also be issued. We will discuss this aspect later on. So first we will discuss when debentures are issued for cash. When the debentures are issued in cash, they can be issued in three important ways. They can be issued at par, they can be issued at premium, they can also be issued at discount. Please understand the difference here. Shares cannot be issued at discount as per the amended provisions of the Companies Act, but the debentures, they can also issued at discount. So first of all, we understand what the journal entries are to be recorded when the debentures are issued at par. You all know that there are basically three important steps or stages through which the company issue the debenture. First, it is called the application stage, then it is the allotment stage, and then it is also the very important call stage. Further, the call stage may be subdivided into 2, 3, 4 numbers as per requirement of the funds by the companies. But generally, with reference to the debenture, as it is a loan or debt capital taken by the company, companies generally does not subdivide to the call stage. So they generally either receive the total amount on application or at the allotment. They generally not go for the call stage, but theoretically they can also comply to the three important steps, that is application stage, allotment stage, and the call stage. Likewise, as I told you that the debenture can also be issued at par, at premium, and at discount, and the different entries will be in these different cases as under. First, when the debentures they are issued at par means the face value and the issue price both are the same. In that case, first entry will be very simple. For the receipt of the application money, entry will be bank account debit to debenture application account. What the difference here lies with reference to the shares? With reference to the share, we write there to equity share capital or to the preference share capital. Here we will write to debenture application, and most important thing, we will prefix the rate of interest of which category the debenture being issued as the recognition. For example, if a company has issued 9% debenture, so we will prefix the word 9% wherever we are using the word debenture. For example, at the time of receipt of the application money, we will make the entry bank account debit to 9% debenture application account. Bank account debit to 9% debenture application account, which recognize that these debentures carry interest at the rate of 9% per annum. In the next entry, this application money will be transferred to the debenture account. Entry will be debenture application account debit to debenture account, and again we will write the 9%. Entry will be 9% debenture application account debit to 9% debenture account. Next stage is of allotment. As usually, first the allotment money will due and later on it is received. Again the entry will be 9% debenture allotment account debit to 9% debenture account, and when this money is received, entry will be bank account debit to 9% debenture allotment account. The previous entry which is being recorded, that is in case the surplus money is there, excess application money is received in case of the pro rata allotment or oversubscription, this money will be refunded and automatically this entry will be recorded at the time of application itself. Now the allotment money being received, entry will be bank account debit to 9% debenture allotment account. Next entry will be relating to the debenture call money due. If there is, entry will be debenture call account debit to debenture account, 9% debenture call account debit to 9% debenture account, and when this money is received, again the entry will be bank account debit to 9% debenture call account. Again, if in the question it is mentioned that it is first call, second call, then we will prefix the word also 9% debenture first call account or 9% debenture final call account, depending upon the statement which is given. Now, when the debentures are issued at premium, very simply, securities premium account will be credited at the stage where the company is collecting the premium. But if the stage at which the company is collecting the premium is not given, as I told you with reference to the shares, we will assume that company is receiving the premium at the stage of allotment, and in the allotment due entry, like here in the third entry, we will also credit here to securities premium account. So the entry will be here 9% debenture allotment account debit to 9% debenture account to securities premium reserve or to security premium account for receipt of the premium. Or if on any other stage company is collecting, then on that stage in the due entry you have to credit the securities premium account or securities premium reserve account. So this way you have to record the entries in case when the debentures are issued at par and debentures are issued at premium. Now I will share with you a very simple question, easy question, so that you could understand. Raj Limited issued 2012% debenture of ₹100 each at payable, 25 on application, 50 on allotment, and balance on first and final call. 3,000 applications were received, allotment was made to 2,000. It means full allotment was made and the others were rejected. So out of 3,000 applications being received, company had made the full allotment to the applicants of 2,000 debentures, and for 1,000 debenture applications, letter of regret being sent to them and their application money is refunded. So see the first entry, bank account debit to 12% debenture application account on 3,000 debenture at the rate of ₹25 per debenture. Now in the next entry, 12% debenture application account debit 75,000 to 12% debenture account. 12% debenture account been credited with ₹50,000 because company need the application money on 2,000 debenture at the rate of 25, which amounts to 50,000. To bank account on 1,000 debenture applications at the rate of 25, application money being received, that to be returned. So the bank account will be credited to bank account refund of the debenture application money. The third entry will be relating to the allotment money which becomes due. The rate of allotment money is very simple, 50 rupees per debenture. On 2,000 at the rate of 50, it amounts to 1 lakh. In the next entry, that is the bank entry, bank account will be debited with ₹1 lakh and debenture allotment account will be credited with 1 lakh because the total money being received. Then we have to see to the next stage. Next stage is the first and the final call. Now, how much amount is left for the first and final call? As the debentures of ₹100 are issued at par, so the remaining amount will be ₹25. 25 of the application, 50 of the allotment, and remaining 25 of the final call. So final call will become due. Entry will be here, bank account debit. With first entry will be bank account debenture first call account debit and 50,000 to debenture account 50,000. When this amount is received, entry will be bank account debit to 12% debenture first and final call account. So this way we have to record the entries at the time of issue of debenture at par. We will also learn one more example when the debentures are issued at premium. See in this example, Z Limited invited applications for 5,000 8% debentures of 100 each at a premium of 2%. Payable 40 on application and remaining balance on allotment. Applications were received for 4,800 shares which are accepted in full, all the amount being received. So it is a situation of under subscription and debentures are issued at premium. So what would be the entries? 4,800 applications being received. How the amount is payable? amount is payable 40 on application and balance on the allotment. So first entry will be bank account debit to debenture application account 4800 debenture at the rate of 40 rupees 1,92,000. This amount will be transferred to the debenture account. Entry will be 8% debenture application account debit 1,92,000 to debenture account 1,92,000. Next entry will be relating to the security premium which is received along with the allotment. Entry will be 12% debenture allotment account debit to debenture account to security premium account. As the amount of allotment is rupees 60 per debenture and premium is of rupees 2. See here, we will record this entry to 8% debenture account. How many debentures are there? 4800 multiplied by 60, 2,88,000. What is the rate of security premium is? Rupees 2. So on 4800 debenture at the rate of rupees 2, 9600 will be there. So 12% debenture allotment account will be debited with 2,97,600 and credit will be given to 8% debenture at the rate of rupees 60, 2,88,000 to security premium on 4800 debentures at the rate of rupees 2, 9,600. Now the same amount, the over amount had been received, the whole amount. So entry will be bank account debit to debenture allotment account with rupees 2,97,600. So this way we will record the journal entries in case debentures are issued at premium. Likewise, in case of the issue of shares, the issue may be fully subscribed, it may be undersubscribed or oversubscribed. There may also be case here with reference to the debentures, that debentures may also be maybe fully subscribed, maybe undersubscribed or maybe oversubscribed. And in case of oversubscription, the same way we will follow like pro rata allotment as we had followed in case of the issue of debentures. So these are the simple journal entries which are recorded at the time when the debentures are issued at par at premium. I will also continue in my next video when the debentures are issued at discount and when the debentures are issued for other than cash consideration.